Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about an Android app that helps you to create video status within 1 minute. This is an animated video status maker application. You can easily create your video within no time, add your own photos. So let's start with a video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store. Search the app lyrical video status maker. It has 4.1 rating, 10 million downloads. Install the app. Read more about this app from here. It's written here what's new about this app. You can read it yourself. App is installed. Now open it. Asking for permission. Click allow. Introduction. Create lyric video. Share video to social media. Click OK. How to use it. Showing ads. Go to lyrical. Download template. Here is the template. Calendar. Different categories. Wishes. Love. Birthday. Here are the options. Migration, template, favorites, notification, upload your video, check for updates. Here is the birthday category. Select any template, share it anywhere you want, or use the template. Edit the video. Add your picture or images here. Select image. Small or large. Size can be changed. Remove watermark. Here are the creations. Sort by popularity, latest or random. So you see how simple it is to create video status. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.